You know that last few days we are having various activities for 7 days. From Monday we are starting and it will go till another Monday, that is coming Monday. Various programs we have been conducting in the school. Today we have special program. Today we are going to show India's various states following the cultures. Various states following the cultures. Now we are in Maharashtra, we have special culture of Maharashtra. Gujarat people, they have their special culture there. Tamil Nadu, they have their special culture. Keralites, they have their special culture. Goa, they have special culture. So each state is specialized with various culture, and therefore we call our country unity in diversity. Though we have so many cultures in our country, we are still one. That's important. So today our students are prepared with their costumes, and with their presentation they will present different states' culture, and they will present that though we are different, we are one, unity in diversity. And therefore it's a speciality of our country and we need to be one. We should not criticize other culture. We have different costumes, dress, we have different food, different languages, which is the speciality of India, which no other world country is having, only India is having. So we should be proud about it. And therefore we must respect everybody's culture, everybody's language, everybody's food, everybody's dress which they wear. So let's have the different states presentation without much delay. I am sure that we are going to enjoy it, whatever we are going to present now. I request you to participate as good audience. Okay? I wish all the students who are prepare themselves for this presentation. God bless you. You can begin your presentation now. Thank you.
महाराष्ट्र, आपला महाराष्ट्र, आपणा सर्वांचा लाडका महाराष्ट्र, छत्रपती शिवरायांच्या पदस्पर्शाने पावन झालेली ही महाराष्ट्राची भूमी. या महाराष्ट्राच्या भूमीला कला देवतेचे तर वरदानच लाभले आहे. जितका रंजक या भूमीचा इतिहास, तितकाच रंजक तिथला निसर्ग आहे. नैसर्गिक सौंदर्य, गौरवशाली इतिहास, हजारो वर्षापासून जोपासलेले साहित्य आणि कला, संत आणि महापुरुषांचे विचार ज्या मातीत गर्वाने सांगितले जातात, ते हीच आमची महाराष्ट्राची माती. चला तर ह्या महाराष्ट्रातील विविधता आज आपण पाहूया.
जोडते मनाची नाती, आमची माती, आमची मानस.
मावरं घ्या मावरं, मावरं घ्या मावरं, मावरं घ्या मावरं, मावरं घ्या मावरं. ओळखलं का मला? मी कोली, मी मुंबईच्या कोलीवाड्यात आली. मावरं घ्या मावरं, मावरं घ्या मावरं. धन्यवाद.
हा सण महाराष्ट्रात पारंपरिक साजरा केला जातो. कोळी, आगरी कोळी, कोकणी यांच्या इथे हा सण मोठ्या उत्सवाने साजरा केला जातो.
आमच्या गावाकडं बैलपोळा हा सण लय मोठ्या प्रकारे साजरा केला जातो. बैलपोळा म्हणजे बेंदूर. बेंदूरला आमच्याकडं पुरणपोळ्याचा बेत असतो आणि बेंदूरला पाठच लवकर बैलांना आंघोळ्या घालून त्यांची पूजा करून मिळवून काढते. जय जय महाराष्ट्र माझा. मजा मला
से मजा माना मतलब
tell you about the Gujarat state. Gujarat, a state in western India, is known for its vibrant culture and traditional festivals. Here are a few notable festivals celebrated in Gujarat. Navratri. So this is one of the most famous festivals in Gujarat, celebrated with immense enthusiasm. It involves 9 nights of dancing, Garba and Dandiya dance, music and worship of the goddess Durga. Second, Uttarayan Makar Sankranti. Celebrated on January 14th, this festival marks the end of winter and the return of longer days. It is known for the International Kite Festival, where people fly kites from dawn to dusk.
Gujarati foods like dhokla, thepla, khandvi, fafda jalebi, dhokla, a savory steamed cake made from fermented rice and chickpea batter. It's often served with green chutney and garnished with mustard seeds and coriander. Second, thepla, a type of flat bread made from whole wheat flour, fenugreek leaves and spices. It's commonly enjoyed with yogurt and pickle. Khandvi, a thin rolled up savory snacks made from gram flour and yogurt, tempered with the mustard seeds and curry leaves. Fourth, fafda jalebi, a popular snack combination of crispy fried gram flour strips. Fafda served with sweet slippery jalebis. This is a favorite during festivals and special occasions.
Located on the western coast of India, offers a diverse range of tourist attractions. Here are some notable places to visit in Gujarat. Ahmedabad, known for its rich history and architecture, including the Sabarmati Ashram, Siddhi Sayat Mosque, and the Hadlaq Stepford National Park, the only place in the world where Asiatic lions can be seen in their natural habitat. Ran of Kutch, famous for the Ran Utsav, a cultural festival held on the white salt desert. Somnath Temple, one of the 12 Jyotirlinga shrines of Shiva, known for its intricate architecture and historical significance. Dwarka, one of the significant sacred Hindu pilgrimage sites. Chardham, and the ancient city associated with Lord Krishna. Satpura, a hill station offering scenic beauty, lakes and gardens.
Today I will speak some light on Rajasthan. Rajasthan is a state in the northwest side of India. Rajasthan is the largest Indian state by area and it is the seventh largest state by population. Jaipur is the largest city and the capital of Rajasthan. It is a land of wonderful place for museum and festival. Diwali, Makar Sankranti, Holi, Dasera, Janmashtami are the main festival of Rajasthan. Jaipur also known as famous pink city. Famous food of Rajasthan are दाल बाटी चूरमा, बाजरे की रोटी, लस्सी एक्सेट्रा. हम इसके बाद घूमर डांस दिखाएंगे. This is korma ka paratha. Louder. This is a Rajasthani food which is a korma ka paratha. It is a Rajasthani food. It is bajre ki roti and Rajasthani chutney. This is dal bati churma and it is a signature dish of Rajasthan. The famous dish of Rajasthan is kanda kachori.
Welcome to the Cultural Day in Fatima High School, Shivli. We have selected the state of Kerala, famed as God's own country. Kerala is located in the southern part of India. The neighboring states of Kerala are Karnataka, Tamil Nadu and Lakshadweep Sea. Thiruvananthapuram or Trivandrum is the capital. There are 14 districts in Kerala state. The literacy rate in Kerala has been upward is 94% as per the latest population census. The literature can be traced back to the 13th century. The Malayalam is the state language.
Kerala is well known for its beaches, temples, backwaters and mountain ranges. The outstanding culture of the state of Kerala is a blend of both Indian and Dravidian style. The cuisine of Kerala is known for its use of medicinal spices. The food of Kerala consists of wide variety of vegetarian and non-vegetarian food. There are 12 types of centuries in Kerala. Kerala's tourism has been booming since 2000s. It is a very welcoming state for its tourists. The lungi or mundu is worn by men and saris and blouses for women. There are many festivals celebrated, but Onam is the major harvest festival. It marks the homecoming of the mythical king Mahabali and is celebrated with much enthusiasm and joy over a period of 10 days. It is not a just festival, but a cultural celebration that brings together the essence of Kerala's tradition, community spirit and heritage. Let's see the folk dance of Kerala, dress code and food items.
It's time to thank all the teachers and students who have given beautiful presentation. Give everybody a loud round of applause for everybody. I know you have enjoyed the program. Everybody was so attentive in the class watching this program. I want to especially thank government for giving this opportunity to present this culture, various culture in the school. So this is today's very presentation teaches us how beautiful our country is. Various languages, the dress, the food item which we all saw that which was really very enriching. And we must, what we need to understand from this is, we need to be proud of our country. We need to respect everybody. Teachers, the way you presented children, I am speechless. I know what to appreciate you. It was extraordinary. It was beautiful. So thank you teachers, thank you students. Once again children, give them a round of applause. I think we must do this once in a month so that we are aware about the various culture, their food habits and the dress each culture has got really enriched. So thank you very much.